Hello, and thank you for stopping by. As you know, it is a long weekend in Canada. It's Victoria Day today. So, Monday, we are all at home. So, I have cooked stir fry with vegetables. I have added yellow and red bell peppers along with green shallot or green onions, which are fresh. And I've added 6 cloves of garlics and a little bit of cabbage, this cabbage a little bit just to bring out the flavor. And I mixed everything together, and of course I added my regular herbs, which is parsley flakes, olive oil, black pepper, oregano, and basils, and touch up paprika just to give smoky flavor, and salt. And this is how it looks like. So this is the raw, which I'm still cooking. And when it's cooked, this is how it looks like. This one is just finishing up. By the way, I made this in air fryer, and this is how it looks like. About the temperature is 400, and it's about 10 minutes. So this is that, and we'll be eating that with chicken, which I'll be cooking later on. Here I made 3 avocado, and I peeled and I mashed them along with this much green shallot, which is fresh ones, and I've added a touch of salt, 1 tablespoon lime juice, smoked little bit paprika, and the main ingredient in here is black pepper and 1 teaspoon olive oil. And this is how it looks like. It's ready to go. We will be eating that with this bread. It's called brown bread, and it's from Cheesecake Factory, which is also in our Ontario as well, so we don't have to go to US to eat that. And I love their vegetarian burger. As you know, I'm a vegetarian. And I forgot to mention this. I got this yesterday from Costco salad topper, and I love it. It has all the nuts, which I like to add on top of my vegetables, and a little bit on top of guacamole as well. Here I've cooked chicken. I added my Indian spices. I made it boneless. 1 tablespoon tomato paste, and half of this sour cream tub, which is 14%, and regular spices. I did not add any other like garlic, ginger, nothing, just like that. So this is cooked. And I also made Spanish style rice, added some herbs, including turmeric, and this is how it turned out. So this is for my family. Here I'm also making vegetables for myself. I have taken 1 broccoli head, and in India we call muli. I think it's called bok lo. In Chinese is Asian. I cut half of it, and along with again fresh green onions, and just a only touch of turmeric, chili flakes, and salt, nothing else. So this is the whole broccoli head. I cut, washed, and it's organic. And this is how it looks like. And not to mention a little bit of cabbage as well. I like to just make something like stir fry type. And this is in olive oil, 1 tablespoon, just on not even 7 minutes. I put everything into the pot, and I put a lid on top. So in about approximately, I would say 7 minutes, everything was done, because I don't like to make it mushy. It has to be a little crunchy. So this is it, and I know my kitchen looks very messy, but it'll be clean shortly. I hope you enjoy this at your house as well. Thank you so much, and take care.